Hey guys, welcome to the intermediate to advanced footwork, new footwork. I have a video right here, which I danced it to music. That's why I'm a little bit out of breath. I think I rolled it 2-3 times to be sure. And I'll break it down with counts. All right, we're starting here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna lift up on the tip. So 1, you're going to step and tip, step and tip, step and tip, step and tip. All right, let's put some style into it. You step down when you step, and when you lift, you go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, basic. One last little trick, shimmies. And shimmy up, shimmy non-stop. You can do it faster. Basic, 2, 3, tap on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bring it cross inside. 1, 2, 3, make sure you bend the knees so you have a larger opening. And then you kick, kick, and out. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and position. On the right foot, step here and do 1.5 turn. Now it really helps, guys, when you prepare to the opposite side, open the arms, and then close them to accelerate. Here we're going to open the legs and slide up. Now if you can't slide up, you can just do here and a jump. That will be 5, 7. Alright? If you can do it slow, you need some practice. Try it with socks instead of shoes on a slippery floor. Now we continue in, out, in, switch. Heel, tap, lift, slide. Now roll, roll, touch. Forward, back, forward, back. You see the hands opening? Then place the left here and the right hand goes round. Bam, ba-dam, ba-dam. And then both hands the same on the opposite direction. Now hand here, left, up, switch. One basic hook turn for a double or a single and into your basic. I hope you like it. Check the other videos where I have the short version with music, and I'll be trying this new technique now where I'll be putting with music and then with breakdown. See you on the next video, guys.